Hello, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to show you how to install your Can-Am Commander front winch bumper. First you want to start with removing your stock bumper. So if you chose to install a front light bar, now's the time to install it. If not, you can go ahead and install your accent panel on the front. If your winch did not come with a fair lead plate, you can call Thumper Fab and we will send you a universal winch fair lead plate. Now you can set your fair lead plate on your bumper and then set your winch on top of your plate. On the underside, you can install your 4 bolts that mount the winch to the bumper.
Similar to your OEM bumper, this bumper has 2 mounting locations up top that go into the frame. And our bumper has 2 lower mounting locations that bolt through the bumper into the frame. Once you start your hardware up top, you'll use a 15mm wrench to snug it up. Don't tighten until you have your lower mounting bolts started and snugged up, and then you can evenly tighten all the hardware.
When you locate your winch, you want to get longer power cable to the winch.
With all mounting hardware tightened up and your winch wired and ready to go, you're ready to hit the trails with the new Thumper Fab Can-Am Commander bumper.